Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a AI talking photo for free. And this AI platform that we're using is Remaker AI. You can easily head over to Remaker AI, sign up with your Gmail account, create an account for free. When you create it, you get 30 credits to get started so you can play around with it and, get started by testing out this AI talking photo. They also have a ton of other AI tools that you can actually use, so you can play around with them until you burn out your 30 credits, right? But if you ever want to upgrade, you can just simply click on price and you'll be able to purchase, some credits here. You don't have to have you don't have a monthly subscription. You just need to pay and use your credits at your convenience, right? So you can test it out by, getting the 200 credits or the 530 credits. And if you're really loving this tool, you can easily upgrade to one of those larger packages right there. So how do we do that? No, all you have to do really is once you create your account and sign in, just simple click on the AI video section here on the left, and you will see AI talking photo. And I make it super easy. So you click in that and you will see the instruction. Right now I've already gone ahead and create something. And we're going to delete this because it was just for me testing it out. So I know I want to show you how it actually works, right? So here are some samples, right? Look at this Mona Lisa one.
Take my breath away.
That's interesting, right? And then you have a few more options right there. Now, how it actually works is you basically upload your photo. I'm going to do that as well. So I'm going to just upload a photo of myself right here. Photo is fine, so I'm going to just upload it as is. And yeah, what am I going to say? You can either upload a music or audio, or you can just easily go ahead and record your voice. No, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna record my voice just saying something like what I normally say in my videos. Because I don't know what I'm gonna say. But let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm gonna hit record right now and I'm gonna say, hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to create, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an AI talking photo. Now let's hear how that sounds. And yeah, I'm gonna just stop it as that, right? So that's it. I have created some audio right there, and the audio is there. All I have to do is just hit generate. And once you generate it, you can see that it is gonna take 13 credits. So from the 30 credits that you get, you will basically use 13 of that to create it. So be smart with your 30 credits and play around with it. Now all you have to do is just simply hit generate, as I said, and it's going to quickly combine both together. And this is being done super fast. And as you can see here, 1%, and in no time it's going to complete and you will see the video ready for you to listen. It's going to be really weird, I must say, because I know that I'm not the one speaking, but no, and it's going to be really fascinating to see how it actually turns out. Now, here's the video. It's done. I'm going to go ahead and make it larger so that you can see it. And I'm going to say, hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to create. Wow, look at that. And I'm going to say, hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to create. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI talking photo. Now, let's hear how that sounds. That's so weird. I don't, you know what's funny? It might be fine, but when you're using a picture of yourself, I'm telling you, sometimes it can just comes off so weird that you're like, oh, that's not me, that's not me. Because how it actually makes it with the mouth, I don't know who speak like that. Surely I don't move my mouth like that, but it's really funny to see. Let's have a look at it again. And I'm gonna say, hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to create. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI talking photo. Now, let's see here. But what I must say that I'm glad that it uses my voice, and so it kind of, if I ever want to make something and I don't want to, show my face, I can just use my picture and my voice behind it and do whatever I want. So that's super cool, right? And I guess it will be as long as you want. As you can see right here, it says 1 credit for 1 second, and you can do it up to 180 seconds. So that's how you can actually record it, right? So that's also cool to know that you can do that. But you have to have a lot of credits. I would say ensure that you have enough credits to be able to record as long as possible. And yeah, so 1 credits for 1 seconds, and so you can do it for 180 seconds, right? That's gonna burn up 180 of your credits, right? So you need to ensure that you have enough credits to do that. But that's it, guys. Really interesting. So if you're looking to create AI talking photo, you can use Remaker AI to do that. And I must say it's really interesting. Go ahead and play with it. Go ahead and test it out. You can find the link within the description of this video to create your account. And of course, if you ever so desire want to explore it more, you can purchase one of those starter packages and explore it and test it out for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you play with it, I'm curious to know what you think about it as well. And yeah, let's have some fun with this. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.